How to fix not everyone can message this account on Instagram. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the Instagram. So head towards your App Store or Play Store. At the very top, you'll find the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Go ahead and click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile page, now click on the three bars given at the top right corner. With that, you will land to the settings and privacy page. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Scroll down. Navigate to this option of account privacy. Set your account to the public. So toggle off for the option of private account. Click on switch to public. Likewise, head back. Head towards this option of messages and story replies. Click on the option of message controls. You will see this option of your followers on Instagram. Click on it. Set it to message request. Likewise, head back. Open this option of others on Instagram. Set it to message request. Likewise, head back. If you still encounter the issue, you can clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down. Head towards the option of general. Navigate to the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps. Head towards the app Instagram. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix not everyone can message this account on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.